Charms, it's your girl Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another DIY. I'm going to try to attempt to do my own lashes. So usually when I do my makeup I do like the strips with my Chloe lashes, but I got this nice lash set from a company called B&Q. So it's the Ultra Volume 3D Lash Kit. So it's supposed to be ultra soft, dramatic effect, velvety fluffy, and they won't fall apart. That's what it recommends. It says beauty eyes for quality life. So y'all, like I said, I'm trying to explore and step up at the bubble. And plus, sometimes I want to still look cute every day because I feel like lashes always give you that effect, that boom that you're looking for. So I'm going to try. Now, I've never done these before. I've had lash clusters done before. That was a long time ago. Actually, no, I didn't do clusters. I did individuals, and it irritated me. It bothered me because I always felt like there was something on my, it didn't feel natural. So, but I've been seeing people do clusters, and there's actually an Instagrammer that I saw. She did her own clusters that she got from a set from Instagram, and so I'm going to kind of follow her method with what she did. So she did these lashes come in different numbers. So she did 2 16s, 2 14s, and 2 12s. So the bigger the number, you want to start with the bigger the number on the outside and the smaller going in. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. If I become blind, it was a pleasure seeing you guys. Jokes aside, but we're gonna dive right in and try this lash kit. If you're new to Chloe channel, where we take care of ourselves mentally, physically, and spiritually, please make sure you comment below, like and subscribe, and hit that notification plus a thumbs up that you like this video. Because I've been noticing y'all been watching my videos, but I'm not, the numbers, the amount of views is not equalizing the number of thumbs up. So if you watching this and you haven't clicked that thumbs up, you're doing your girl wrong. You are doing your girls wrong, and I don't appreciate it. I don't appreciate it. But anyways, y'all, let's just dive right in and try this out. The first eye. Now, when you first start, it's kind of, you have to get the groove of it. But once I got, like, after the first one, the second and third was fine. I know I was supposed to do like 2 16s, 2 14s, and 2 12s, but that's what the girl did. But everyone's eye shape is different. So all I did was 2 16s, 2 14s, and 1 12. That's what was able to fit on my eye. And what, like, there's definitely a difference between this eye and this eye, for sure. Okay, so this is a lot more technical than I thought. The glue does, I'll give you my overall thoughts on it, but did the one eye, so let's go ahead and do the next one. So far, it's going okay. It's going okay. You guys, I had to turn off the other light because it makes like a venting noise. That's why I had to do like a voiceover in between, because like if I put it on, you hear this, but you saw, like, I love it. I feel like it looks natural. It does not, I like it. I think I did good. I think I did it. I think I did it. I think I did it. Y'all, so this won me over. This won me over. Now, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Today it's a Friday night right now, so I'm gonna come back on Sunday. I'm gonna give y'all 2 days. I'm gonna come back on Sunday and give you guys an overview of how it was with the washing. So what you're supposed to do now, let it dry, because it says let it after you put it on. It says use a cool setting on a hair dryer to dry the glue and save time. Or if you don't have a dryer, you can wait 1 to 2 minutes for the adhesive to fully dry for easier shaping. So I can talk in 1 to 2 minutes. And then the last part is apply seal. After styling lashes, use a suitable amount of seal to enhance waterproofing and prolong wear. So like I said, this comes double-sided. You have the bond on one side, which is like a little mini mascara. And then the sealing, it says, so it's marked off with a part 1 and a part 2. So it's easy. So all you have to do is just make sure you lift up your eyelash, and you want to do it on the bottom of your lash, that line. And like I said, the first one gets harder, but as you go, having the tweezers definitely just help. It just comes off easily. It doesn't even mess up the lash when you pick up the lash with the tweezer and just lift it. I thought this was going to be harder. But I'm finding affordable ways to do my beauty and self-care. Like, yo, I'm excited. I am excited. But we're going to put the seal on, and then I'm going to take a shower and come back on Sunday and let y'all know how the soldiers were holding on, that I haven't any falling off. You know, overall view. But what do y'all think though? What do y'all think? How does it look? The glue definitely does stay tacky. It, you know, because after you put it on, you want to wait for it to get that little nice tacky stick for it to stay. But these babies seem to be holding on. So about to put on this sealant. I'm going to put on the sealant on, and it comes on like clear. The bonding part comes off black, but the sealant comes on clear. I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to seal it. Oh, crap. It's got some in my eye. Oh, that hurt. Woo! I'm not going to edit that out. So y'all can see, fellas, beauty is pain for your girls out here. We be doing some stuff to make ourselves look pretty. And half of y'all don't even notice. Half of y'all don't even notice at all. I'm even see if my family even notices that I did something. I'm sure my older sister probably will, because she know I ain't got no lashes. But I'm gonna even put some here on. I'm really crying, y'all. Isn't that sad? Because that kind of went in my eye, but it didn't really burn. It was just like a startling. So I'm gonna put some here at the top too. Oh man. Hey, I did it. I did it. I'm just gonna put it closer, get from the light. This is how they look, you guys. From far away, they look very, very natural. So yes, I said I only did 5, 2 16s, 2 14s, and 1 12. And I'll show you guys real quick the packet. So you can see the section that I use, and you still have a whole bunch left. So this is definitely for multiple uses, which is great. And I'm not trying to guesstimate. I think it's less than, let me find out real quick the price for you guys. All right, so it's $16. That is not bad. So imagine how much you paying, my ladies, because I know y'all be paying over like $20, $40, $60. Probably about 40, between $20 to $40 for someone to do this for you. So now if you want Nigel Chloe to do it for you, I could add that to my skills as, lash technician. But I won't charge you too much, Bring your own kid, I'll charge you a little labor fee, about $12. But yes, so ladies, this is $16. I'm gonna link it for you below so you can try it yourself and let me know what you think about it. And if you're interested in try it, so my ladies, let me know, do you do lash clusters? Are you a strip? Do you do individuals? And would you, if you haven't, would you want to try it after seeing me do it? But on a scale of 1 to 10, let me know what you think on how I did. I'll see y'all in 2 days. Guys, I almost forgot to even do a wrap up for you. So this is Sunday, the evening. I went to church, and these are how the lashes are right now. They stayed on. This particular one looks womp womp because I was trying to get something off and I pulled it off multiple times. So that's why it looks like I had some gaps. But overall, this is what the final result is. I will not, one of the things I can say is I feel like I liked how they initially looked when I put them on. They were nice and fluffy, but putting that sealant gave them this, like, I don't know how to, it doesn't look fluffy. It just made them look very individualized and stiff, like I had mascara on, and I don't like that. So I'm going to try it the next time. I'm not going to give up because the first time, you try it, the second time you master it. So I'm going to do it another time. And the next time I'm not going to put the sealant and just kind of see how it looks, how long it will, if it still holds without the sealant and the waterproof, whatever. But I did take a bath, and that was one thing is I was scared the first day to like really wash my face the way I wanted to, because y'all know your girl loves her skincare. But overall, I will give it an 8. I'll give it an 8. Because I'm going to do it better. I'm going to learn. But let me know what you think. Is it something you would want to try on your own? But that's the final result of this vlog, doing cluster lashes. And I'm your girl, Nigel Chloe. Please make sure you like and subscribe, comment, share this vlog if you're interested. And with people who want to take care of themselves mentally, physically, and spiritually, I'm your girl. Peace.